Hello friends, Mrs. H here with another video for you all. We are going to continue our bowling lesson with a bowling challenge once again. So some items you need is I have a water bottle, an empty water bottle, which is my pin. I have my sock ball, which is my ball. You can use anything in your house that you want. If you are outside, you can use a bigger ball. I don't suggest using a bigger ball inside just because of safety. You'll need 5 objects, which is my orange cups. Those are my objects. And then you'll need a starting line. Starting line to the first cup is about 5 feet. And then between each of the markers, it's 3 feet. So like that. You can make it shorter, longer if you need to, based on your challenge. But we're going to get started, and I'll show you how it works. So you start at your starting line. All right. And my cone or my pin is at the first cup. We're going to put it at the first cup. All right, first cup. And before I start, right, I'm on my line. I'm going to do 1 jumping jack. I'm going to step with my opposite foot, get down low, swing, and try to hit it. If I hit it, I'm going to move to the next cone. If I do not hit it, you keep going until you get it. All right, and we'll see if you can do it in 1 minute. All right, I got my timer. I am set up. Let's see how Mrs. H does. All right, I'm gonna start my timer.
Game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, Mrs. H didn't do so hot, but that's okay. All right, Mrs. H made it to level 3. Let's see if you can beat me and how many levels you get. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you all later.